Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. So how are you doing and how is your day? Okay guys, so if you're new here, you are most and highly welcome, guys. So in today's video, I'm gonna be giving you like a very simple oil, okay, to gain weight at your back and your front. Okay, this is actually gonna help you so much. Now the thing is that you can actually increase the input of the very first oil that I'm going to be showing you, the very first one. Okay, you can increase it so that it will be very effective. I only use one, but you can use about 2, 3 or 4. Yeah. Okay, so let me take you right into this video, and know that when you're actually using this, you have to use it and use it again, yeah, to see a great result. Now this is actually a very simple oil, and the method is amazing and simple also. Okay, so before we go, give me a like here, subscribe here, turn on the post notification and click all, and now let's go. Okay guys, so this is one amazing oil for a bigger back, and it also helps to gain weight at that side, like literally at your back side. Okay, this is cod liver oil. Okay, this is cod liver oil. This is it. This is cod liver oil. Okay guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to be cutting the cod liver oil by breaking in the oil into this bowl, literally. So I'm actually going to be putting in 2 of this. So I press it in, and this is the oil, and you see that? Yeah. Okay, so I'm equally going to be needing vitamin E oil. Okay, vitamin E oil is perfect for this, and it's great for removing stretch mark and increasing the elasticity on your skin at that side. Now, do you know that when you begin to gain weight at your back area, you're going to begin to notice some stretch mark. So the vitamin E oil would actually help you a whole lot. And then also we're equally going to be needing shea butter. Now shea butter helps so much for the skin. It actually gets rid of aging, and it also gets rid of pigments. And mixing it with the cod liver oil is going to be amazing, guys. This is going to be amazing. Rub this on at your back area, and it's going to make it boom 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 boom, big, literally. Yeah, you ladies love to be hot, and this is an amazing oil that you're going to rub there. Or if you don't have this other ones, you can actually just buy the cod liver oil and mix it up with just one of this oil that I'm going to be showing you, and then you apply it there every morning and every evening. Okay, your backside is going to be very sweet. So this is it, and I have here coconut oil. Now coconut oil is amazing oil that helps so much, and it also moisturizes the skin. It penetrates deep into your pores, making your skin look really beautiful. So this is the oil that you're going to be applying at your baka. So you're going to apply this oil at your back side, and then that side is actually going to begin to get big, it's gonna be smooth and it's going to be stretch mark free, literally. Okay, so this is the oil. Okay, so what you do is that you grab this oil and then you rub it onto your back side. Okay, and massage it in very well, just like that. Massage it in really good. Okay, so you massage it in like that, and at your front side also you massage the cod liver oil in there, and you are going to be loving it. So apply this morning and evening for an effective result for that bigger back and a rounder back. Okay, so I'm actually going to be keeping this because your girl needs that too. Okay, so use this and gain that big backer C. Okay guys, so that's it. Apply this morning and night, you know, if you can, and it's going to be very effective, and it's going to bring back those back that are gone and those front that are shrinking. Yes guys, all right, so give this a try, do it and do it again. Oil doesn't go bad, so you can actually do it and keep it and always use it, and it will be helpful. Okay, so that's it. If you do love this video, please give me a like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again. Bye.